Hi guys, today I'm here to show you an amazing opportunity to work from home, which is Outlier AI. It's a company that is hiring people to train AI algorithm and they actually pay. I'm gonna show you how to sign up. So basically you go to their website and click view opportunity. I'm gonna include the link down below on the description of this video, and just see if there is a job that you can actually do. There is actually a lot of options. For example, if you know biology, you can train the AI using your knowledge. If you know chemistry, if you know physics, and so on. Even if you speak a foreign language, you will actually get paid to train the model understanding the language that you speak. So there is a lot of language, or they actually pay you if you like talk to your friends and then you submit the conversation, they actually pay you. And what is different, because you might have heard about platforms that do exactly the same thing, what is different, it's actually a full-time job. Not a full-time job, it's a part-time job, but it's actually a job, and they pay you per hours. So you can like get paid up to $50 per hour. And I'm not kidding, I will show you. So just go through their job posting and see if there is one that suits you. If you're a coder, for example, click for example front-end developer, you will see the job description. Okay, and then you click apply. Okay, you go down and click apply, and it will take you through the process of applying for the job. Okay guys, so once you've been through the application process, which is actually a very easy process, just make sure you choose the skill you actually can do, and then you will get into the platform. You log into the platform, and then you will be taken to your home page. So I will go here to the projects for you to show what kind of projects you will be able to do within the platform. You have this project, for example, where you will challenge their models by asking them a question. So in my case, they are telling me to ask the model questions about math, because I actually made that my skill is math, said that my skill is math. So they are giving me this project. And then I win $50 per hour every time I work on this project, and it's very flexible. Of course, there are flexible projects that pay less. You have this project, for example, but this is actually a very easy project. You basically just do a small task, and then they give you almost $2 per task. But the projects that you will be working, more often than not, is this one. And maybe one thing that I would suggest you, uh, okay, you are gonna have missions, feedback, and so on. So one thing that I will suggest you doing is to, when you are approved, you can actually work on other projects as long as you qualify for these projects. So in order to do that, so you go to the home page, and hopefully you can click skills. So you view more skills, and then you can apply for a new skill. Okay, you just click start screening, and then you're gonna take a test, and hopefully you're gonna be able to approve you for the new skill, so more projects will be available for you. Okay, so a proof of concept, my earnings actually didn't work on the platform that much, but okay, as you can see so far, I have been paid almost $200, and I have $20 as a reward pending. Okay, Yeah, so that's it. Is actually a very good platform, and I think it's very impactful because you are helping training the next generation model. Okay, so a great opportunity for you. Click on the link down below, and hopefully you find a project that suits you.